Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade solution specifically designed for Cisco UCS servers. The OWC 256GB DDR4 ECC registered memory kit. This kit isn't your typical desktop RAM. It's built for the demanding environments of workstations and servers, ensuring stability and reliability for critical applications. This OWC kit consists of 8 32GB DDR4 2400MHz PC4-19200CL 17 ECC registered DMM modules. These modules are 2RX4, 288-pin, and operate at a cool 1.2V. The ECC register designation is key here. ECC, or Error Correcting Code, memory detects and corrects single-bit errors on the fly, preventing crashes and data corruption. The registered aspect adds another layer of stability, buffering the control signals to handle the increased load of multiple memory modules. This particular kit is explicitly compatible with Cisco UCS B200M4 and C220M4 servers. Compatibility is crucial with server memory, and OWC has done their homework here. It's a direct replacement for Cisco part numbers HXMR1X32-RVA, HXSBM32-RVA, UCSMR1X32-RVA, UCSMR1X32-RVRF, and UCSMR1X32-RVS, so you can be confident it will work seamlessly with your existing infrastructure. Now, it's important to reiterate, this is ECC registered memory. It will not work in standard desktop computers, and you cannot mix it with unbuffered or ECC load-reduced memory. Mixing memory types can lead to system instability and boot failures, so always consult your server's documentation to ensure compatibility. Why upgrade to 256GB? For servers running virtual machines, databases, or other memory-intensive applications, more RAM translates directly to improved performance. You'll experience faster response times, smoother multitasking, and the ability to handle larger workloads. Upgrading to this OWC kit can breathe new life into older servers, extending their lifespan and postponing costly hardware replacements. OWC stands behind their products with an industry-leading advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty. This includes free tech support, which is invaluable when dealing with server hardware. Knowing you have that level of support provides peace of mind. In conclusion, the OWC 256GB DDR4 ECC registered memory kit is a solid upgrade option for Cisco UCS B200M4 and C220M4 servers. It offers increased capacity, improved stability, and the backing of a reputable company. If you're looking to maximize the performance and longevity of your Cisco UCS servers, this kit is definitely worth considering. Just remember to double-check compatibility before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.